Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is gwely, which means bed. Gwely, as in mynd i'r gwely, go to bed. Gwely, bed.